In this video, I'll show you how to master voice commands on your phone. This will help you perform tasks hands-free. Let's get started. For iPhone users, go to Settings, Siri and search. Toggle on Listen for Hey Siri and press side button for Siri. For Android users, go to Settings, Google Settings for Google Apps Search, Assistant and Voice Google Assistant. Enable Hey Google. Try basic commands like Hey Siri, what's the weather, or Hey Google, set a timer for 10 minutes. This will help you get used to using voice commands. Use advanced commands like Hey Siri, send a text to, name, or Hey Google, navigate to, place, dot. This makes your daily tasks easier. That's it. Mastering voice commands can save you time and make your phone usage more efficient. If you found this helpful, like and consider subscribing for more tech tips on CyberTheo.